Greetings everyone at ISS, this is Buddy. Found an interesting rock there on the creek side of this way. I'm out just checking our place and the fence rows and wanted to let you see the trickling stream. Quite peaceful. How pretty that is through there on this Monday. Something real clean and fresh through here. Hope y'all enjoyed that. Don't forget about you. I just have you in my prayer. This is Buddy signing out. Have a great one, ISS. You're doing a wonderful thing for the world in space exploration. Till next time, it's Buddy signing out.